Welcome to the LifeForms project devlog entry for June 3rd, 2026. I've really been overdue for a devlog. I went the entire month of May 2026 without a single entry. However, so much has been done that I need to split this out into 3 videos. So this first video is essentially the renaissance of the environment and the creatures. So when I mean the environment, let's start with that, is that I updated the materials on the landscape to this craggy rock, and it looks so much better. Also, the great oak got a humongous upgrade. It is a big world tree at the center of the sanctuary. Secondly, or additionally, the Chestnut Valley got utterly transformed. It was a selection of chestnut trees in a ring surrounding a meadow. Now it is a black alder forest that is overgrown and claustrophobic, and there's a reason for it, because I've implemented ecology into this build. And at the center we have another world tree. Eventually, there we go. We have a world tree, and this is my touch. It's a dryad at the base of it. So my idea with the ecology layer for this, and that's the next video, is that this tree, its appearance will reflect the state of this biome, this ecosystem. But I promised a creature renaissance, so let's show what work happened there. So let's start with our bull. He's always been an aurochs, but now he's taken on a lot more bison characteristics. So let's play. He has a real run cycle now. 72 frames. Thank you. He charges, he attacks. Here's his walk cycle. He's got 24 separate animations that are in different 52 different states of completion. So there's our bull. I'll show him in game in a moment, but we have others to cover. Here is our saber-tooth. I'm particularly proud of the eyes on both of them. Let me know what you think. And here's the upgraded calf. So the saber-tooth was always targeting it in the past, so it needs a good run cycle. And here she is. Here he is in game. He's got a new walk cycle. Crow's got new animations. He's got ambient vocalizations. Got a couple good ones maybe. There are his eyes. All right. That is the high level overview of what I did with the creatures. The bull, the calf, the cow, and the saber tooth. Their characters and this forest is their stage. In the next video, I'm going to go over and explain what I did with this ecology layer, and it is just the foundation of an ecosystem and food web that I'm building in this environment. So tune in next time, and I'll explain what every one of these types of plants does, and how our guys, our characters, will interact with them, and how they will shape this biome. Okay, thank you if you made it this far, and I'll see you in the next video.